Hi, I'm Clancy DeSmet, Climate Change Adaptation Branch Chief for Caltrans District 1, which includes Del Norte, Humboldt, Lake, and Mendocino counties. In District 1, we're focused on assessing and adapting to the impacts of climate change so we can improve resiliency on our state highway system. Now, those impacts are wide-reaching, and one of the places we see some of the most visible effects of climate change is Last Chance Grade in Del Norte County.
Hi, I'm Jamie Mattioli. I'm the Caltrans Project Manager for Last Chance Grade. Last Chance Grade is about 3 miles long. We're about 10 miles south of Crescent City, and we've experienced chronic landslide damage here over the life of the highway being in this location. And in recent years, we've seen the damage accelerate and increase.
Landslide damage and coastal erosion along this vital transportation route have led to road closures and more than $100 million in repair work over the last 20 years. Currently, there is no viable alternative route in the event of a complete failure of the roadway, which would have profound impacts on the region's viability and economy.
Climate change could really worsen the damage we're experiencing here. It could create more nested landslides. It could impact the larger deep-seated landslide that's moving slowly and steadily towards the ocean. And it could increase coastal erosion that's slowly eating away at the toe of the slope here.
We must understand these current conditions and evaluate future needs as we adapt to climate change. We must also continue to work with partners and stakeholders to ensure the adaptation strategies we develop meet the needs of the communities we serve. That includes environmental and conservation groups, local governments, industry representatives, and tribal nations.
So if you're interested in Last Chance Grade, check out our website, lastchancegrade.com. We provide updates, and we have a full library of documents related to the project.
And for more information about climate change adaptation planning and projects throughout District 1, keep an eye on northcoastclimateaction.org.